Getting off the floor, getting off the floor without help is one of the most honest tests of being independent. This is how you do it properly. Start from here, bring your, if you needed, elbow. So he fell down, and we are working this thing called a technical get up. It's a way to get up being protected with your hands forward. Bring your leg back, and you stand tall in here on command stance, or what we want to call this, okay? From here, falling down, get on the combat stance, hands up, all the way up. تصوير بس. If you don't have the same flexibility, and with time, put your two hands, one knee, and then get up from here. Or two knees on the ground, stand up, and get up.